In the previous video, we started about the forest. Now, in this video, we will be studying that why forests are important. Why do we need our forests, right? See, forests are very important renewable resource. They are useful in the following ways. Number one is prevent floods and maintain the water table. See, rain falls on the leaves of trees and plants and then drips slowly down to the forest floor, right? Water does not collect and stagnate on the forest floor. This prevents flooding. The water is able to seep into the soil and helps to recharge the water table. Now, see, your forests are not made up of any hard road or something, right? Your forests have all the soils at their floor. So, whenever rain falls, the water that falls on the soil seeps inside the soil and add to the groundwater level. So, they prevent the floods and maintain also increase the groundwater level. Prevent soil erosion. Now the roots of plants bind the soil particles together and prevent soil erosion. Maintain the fertility of the soil. Soil erosion is also prevented because raindrops do not fall directly on the forest floors with full force. Now this also prevents the soil erosion. Third is the supply oxygen. See, we all know that we get oxygen from the plants. As plants prepare their food, the process is known as photosynthesis, and they release the oxygen in the environment and takes in the carbon dioxide from the environment. We human beings need oxygen to breathe and to live on the earth. So, plant in the forest release oxygen during photosynthesis. This provides all animals, including us, with oxygen to breathe and helps to maintain the ratio of oxygen to the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. And this is the reason why the forests are known as the green lungs, which we did in your first video. Absorb carbon dioxide. See, in order to prepare food, the plants need carbon dioxide and water. So they absorb the carbon dioxide from the environment, so it makes the environment clean. So forests are very important to make the environment clean. Cool the air and increase rainfall. Now plants in the forest absorb water from the soil and release it into the air through transpiration, right? Now when they release oxygen, they also release the water from their leaves, and so this is known as transpiration. This keeps the environment moist and cool. So this increases the amount of water vapors in the air and helps in cloud formation, which helps in the rainfall. So where there are more trees, we often say, you might have heard that no trees, no rainfall. Just because trees, initiate the rainfall because they will release the water vapors in the air, clouds will form, and then there will be a rainfall. So we need to grow more and more trees in order to get the balanced rainfall as well as to get the environment cool. Provide food and shelter for wildlife. I told you in the previous video that, forests are the habitat for the wildlife, means the animals and different birds and insects. Now, why these wildlife live in the forest is because they get food and shelter in the forest. Now, this provides food for wide variety of herbivores and carnivores and omnivores. So every you can say animal live in the forest and can live in the forest according to the climatic conditions. Seventh is the forest products. See, you get rubber, paper, all from the trees like timber, wood for the furniture, then spices you get, and then oils, gum, all these things you get. Some medicines are made of your medical plants, your herbs, right? So all such things you get from the forest. So forests are the very important source. See, you can think if you do not get the medicine in order to cure your disease, your medicines are made up of different types of plants that are built up in forest. So forest products are very important, and you require the forest product like a rubber, wood, timber, medicines, spices, all these things, right? Now, this is why your forests are very important for you. I hope you have understood this video very completely, because if you understand this video, you will definitely oppose the cutting down of trees. Now, wherever you see somebody is cutting the trees, don't let them do so, because it's not right to cut the trees. And being a child, on your every birthday, what you can do is you can plant a tree or a plant in the soil so that it grows as you grow nearby you. So there's all things you can do in order to preserve the trees. I hope you have understood this. If you have any doubt, you can write me in the comment box. I will help you out with your doubts, and make sure you clear all your doubts on time. Do download our Scholars Learning app.